Welcome to this particular session on the demonstration of Windows Azure. So we would try to understand how to subscribe to Azure to try out some PaaS, platform as a service kind of an examples if you want to try. So go ahead and go to azure.microsoft.com and you can actually click on try for free. So it actually navigates you to another page which actually lists you out the details. So you can see here that actually it gives you a free 1 month trial and you get almost 12,100 rupees of services, Azure services, and all this on the right hand side you can see the services. You can get you can use database, you can use websites, you can do mobile push applications, you can use virtual media machines, Hadoop, media streaming, Active Directory. Almost all capabilities which are not under preview of Azure can be accessed. So this is how you can set up the free. So this is the the document that you can see that this lists out. So around 12,000 credits that are given for virtual machine, and you have to have a Hotmail kind of an ID or at outlook.com or live.com. You should have a valid credit card. You can sign up using this particular URL that is seen. Phone number has to be given, credit card also has to be given. Only for verification 60 rupees will be charged, but it would be getting reversed within 3 to 5 business days. In case you are exhausting 12,100 within 1 month, then you have exhausted, you would not get any additional thing, and don't try to use it because it will get converted into pay as you go. So if you use beyond 12,100, you have to convert your account to pay as you go, and then you will start getting charged for it. Please remember this, that do not convert your account for pay as you go if you have exceeded 12,000. Till even if you have exceeded, it will not charge you. Remember, it will not charge you, but if you convert it to pay as you go, it will start charging you. So use it for free, and just remember, as soon as you are finished with your trials, whatever the resources that you are using, please delete them so that your 12,100 does not get exhausted. If you keep the machines running, it may get exhausted. So this is how you get Azure. Let's sign to a portal. So you can see that the portal is manage.azure.com, and which brings you to a sign up page. I have an trial which is created at my using my email account, which is outlook.com. You can see that I am typing in my email ID, and if I say continue, it will try to get me authenticated, and it will ask me the password for it. And if I enter the credentials, it would actually sign me in to this particular Azure portal, that is manage.windowsazure.com. You can see the portal looks something. At the left hand side we have all the services, and it is now highlighted on all the items. All the items will appear, whatever that you have, a cloud service you have, a virtual machine you have, whatever it is, it will appear on the left hand side. It is listing out all the services is what you can see. And if you see, the credit status appears to be 6,000 rupees only. I have only 6,000 rupees remaining, and I have 20 more days to finish this 6,000 rupees. So there are web apps, there are virtual machines, there are mobile services, there is cloud services. So we are more interested in cloud services because our intention for this lab is to understand or go ahead and explore PaaS. But however, you have to remember, Microsoft actually gives you provision to create virtual machines. You can create virtual machines from gallery. There are standard images that are available if you want a Windows Server 2012 or Windows Server Essentials. So, or if you want any other operating system like Ubuntu, the image of Ubuntu is already there. You just need to pick whatever is there and it will start. Or you can have your own images also. So you can upload your images under My Images and you can keep it. So cloud service also, it's the same thing. You can click on new, it will ask you, I can do a quick create. It will ask you a particular naming, a URL. It has to be a unique URL. Remember, your application will be hosted here. So if you type in this URL, your application will, you will be able to see your application. Similarly, it is this for the storage account. Storage account is nothing but, it stores blobs, large sized blobs. And you can actually select a particular location. You can select whether you want a replication, whether your data has to get replicated. So storage is nothing but you can create tables, and or you can create store your files, JPEG files, MP3 files. So in the settings, you can see, your subscription settings which are there. It gives you your email account to which this particular subscription is tied up with, and this is how it would appear. This particular the complete page will appear if you go ahead, and you have to remember that you have to go to manage.azure.com, and a sign out will actually get you signed out of this particular portal.